automation is only for coders? Think again. Beginners are turning n8n workflow templates into income by just doing copy and paste. In today's video, I will guide you step by step how to keep up with the latest business trend even without having any skill and experience in automation. We all recently watched many videos and tutorials about n8n workflows automation that help small and mid businesses to scale their operations using the minimum human intervention. And in all these videos, they are advising you to start such business and sell the automations to the businesses near you. But the main thing that they miss is that there are many people who wish to start but they have zero experience in the field. Today, I will be taking the opposite way, where I will shortcut the road for you and provide you 10th of ready workflow templates for different businesses where you can simply copy and paste them to your website or store and start selling them without costing you any dime. If you watch the entire video, you will learn 1. Where to open a store and publish the digital product to it, 2. How to find your first client to buy your digital product, and in the end of the video, you will get the path to the goldmine folder where you will get all the workflow templates for free. If you are ready, let's jump in. Since we already have the product idea and it is ready, we can start directly by building the platform where we will showcase our digital products and sell them. There are many platforms that help you to have your own digital store, but my recommendation here, and especially for the beginners, is to go with a platform that already have an acceptable number of monthly visitors such as Etsy and Gumroad. So in this case, you have a high chance to get sales from those visitors without reaching them. For example, Gumroad have around 300,000 monthly visitors and Etsy have 41 million visitors per month, which is crazy. Let's check the n8n templates on Etsy and see how sales are performing. Look, we have here this n8n template got thousands of reviews, which means they made thousands of sales as well. And if you mention that all the n8n templates that are around $20 are sold the most, so keep in mind to have the same pricing with a little less to be in the competition. Now let's check on Gumroad to see the n8n templates, how they are performing in terms of sales. We can see that the best performing ones have approximately the same price as set in Etsy, which is around $20. So either you will set up your digital store on Etsy, Gumroad, or both. Ensure to have the price around 20 to show up and stay in the competition. I will not go in details how to create an Etsy or Gumroad store since it is straightforward and you have some steps to accomplish and your store will be ready to be published. But I will move to the most important part of the video, which is how to get your first sale. The ultimate yet free way to get your first sale for your digital product is to use Google Maps, where you will find hundreds of small and mid-sized business in any area you want to operate, but you will not search them one by one. Instead, I will provide you an awesome tool that is free where you can scrap all the business's details in a specific area in an automated way. The tool is called Maps Scraper and Leads Extractor. All you have to do is to open Chrome Web Store and search for the extension and install it on your Chrome browser. Now you will open the extension, click on Open Bing Maps, search for a particular business type in any area you want, let's say dentists. Then click on Start Find and watch the magic happening. The extension starts to extract all dentists shown in the area you are searching, and also you can move the map to get more leads in different areas. When you finish, you have the opportunity to download the list as CSV of as Excel. Can you imagine that all those information has been extracted in one click, from name to email, phone number, and even social media links? So you have a treasure in your hands. You can contact them and offer your digital product, and in the same time direct them to your store to check it and buy if interested. And if you have advanced skills, you can use either make.com or n8n to automate the send of emails. So all you have to do is to extract from time to time new leads, and the automated system will send emails without any intervention from your side. In this way, we build a complete side hustle business that does not cost us any dime, and in the same time it does not require any skill to start. Now, to get the full list of n8n workflow templates, all you have to do is to send me an n8n to my email that I will leave it in the video description, and I will reply back with a folder containing the full list. I hope that I gave you a push to start your side hustle, especially for the ones that are struggling how and from where to start. And as an appreciation for the information given, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends so they can benefit from it as well. Each week I publish a video that may help you to make money online and start your side hustle, so make sure to enable the notification notifications so you don't miss any new coming idea. See you in the next video.